Hello? Hello?
You have no friends to talk to.
Shut up. I'm doing a video.
Or you're single.
Anyway, yeah, hold on. She's right here. Oh, shoot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, we got another DIY for you. Today we are going to be making a DIY ring light. I've been wanting to do this video for super long because I really need some better lighting to do my videos. The lighting in my room is very warm and it's dim and it's just not ideal for shooting videos. So we are going to get started. First things first, you will need a wire wreath to hold the ring lights. You're going to need some aluminum foil. You will need some rope light. I got in the color Daylight. They had like 2 or 3 other options. I looked up some information about the differences in the lights. These will give more of a bluish, like fluorescent light type of hue. I don't want that warmth, that reddish orange hue, the lights. I really want to get like a more true color. So the bluish, really bright LED lights would work best. So that's the one that I chose. You need some tape and you'll need some like zip ties, or they also call them cable ties. Some wax paper. When you're done, you're also gonna need an extension cord, obviously, to plug it into. But other than that, I think we have all the materials. So let's get started. First things first, you're gonna start to zip tie the ring light around the wreath. Just grab your zip ties, push it through.
I think I like your vibe. She say the feeling's mutual, so take your time. Embrace your intuition, girl, state your mind. I'm man enough to put my pride to the side, cause I like your vibe.
Alright, it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least fully covering the wreath. I made a couple of mistakes, but it's fine. It's not gonna be noticeable and it's gonna do the same thing regardless. So let's get to step number 2. Correction. Step number 2 should actually be to cut the zip tie ends off of the wreath. Now that you have your wreath lined up with the LED rope light, you are going to take some foil and place it on the back. Crap. Okay, pause. I just realized that when I originally started to put the foil on the wreath first, that was actually the right way, but then I took it off and I was like, no, I have to do the rope light first. So no, put the foil on the wreath first. I do not feel like taking these off because I feel like it took too long. So I'm going to improvise and I'm going to just tuck the foil underneath like this and keep going. And it will still work perfectly fine. There we go. Because I definitely do not feel like starting over, like at all. You can see I'm just tucking it underneath the rope light rather than removing it and starting all the way over. It's gonna take a little bit of elbow grease, but I think we can do it. That's my bad, you guys. I definitely screwed that up, and I had it done the right way the first time.
What she told me, I like your vibe. She said, no, I ain't gonna waste your time, cause you look like the type that I like. I like your vibe. I like your vibe. Alright, let's vibe to the Lord for blessing me. Feeling real lucky now to charm catching heat. Never MIA on discussion. Pat on the back, Bobby Joe with the buckets. Now we making history.
Some people decided to use cardboard for the backing of their wreath and then putting the foil around the cardboard, but I'm lazy. I don't have time for that. I know this is going to do the basics of what I needed to do, and I can always go back and add to it later. But I'm always just trying to like hurry up and get it done, you know what I mean? Like I want to use it like ASAP kind of thing. And I just didn't feel like messing with the cardboard. I'm totally doing the lazy version of this project. I have my extension cord already plugged in, so I'm going to test it out and see what happens. Ooh, this is gonna be super dope, you guys. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna like put it on my camera or something. Wow, that's kind of dope. You guys see the difference? All right, let's test the difference out. Yo, this works really good. I'm super juiced right now. It came out really good. I look like a little boy. I'm really juiced. Let me move it closer. I'm so juiced. Oh my gosh. It works so good. Ooh, look at that cheese though. That smile. Hey. And my eyes, they look so bright. And you can see the ring in them. It's so cool. I'm super excited. Okay, so the total cost of this DIY, I think the ring lights were like $11 and like 88 cents or like $12. They were like $12 and some change. These were like, the cable ties were like a couple bucks, literally like $1 and some change for the smaller ones. I already had wax paper and foil at my house, but those are like, you can get that for like $1. Scissors already at my house. The wreath was only a few bucks. I think it was like $2 and some change or something like that. It's literally like a $15 DIY project depending on what material you have already at home. Overall, I spent in total under $20. It's totally $20 and under for this ring light. Like I'm super excited right now. It looks so good, you guys. Look at this. Look at this difference. This is crazy. Okay. Watch one more time.
Feeling like the miners in the 60s. Sit back and celebrate
I
this
totally
victory.
screwed that up.
Trophies. Hey, you the queen.
I suck at that.
I'm the king.
Thank you for watching. A little bit of ratchet because I was freaking skipping steps and trying to hurry up and rush through it. So sometimes it's better to take your time and know what the freak you're doing. But this is such a minor DIY. There's like no way you can screw it up. Like literally, there's no way. There's no wrong way to do any of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY, making my first ring light.
Hey, you the queen, I'm the king. Let's live life like a movie. Never play yourself, you're a major key. A random thought, what's your favorite ice cream? Get a few scoops and blow some tree. Chill at a spot where it's you and me. Take a couple pics for the memory. It's a dilemma when it comes to you and me.
Hey, I like your vibe.